Welcome to this overview video for Map Tracker. Map Tracker is an add-in which is available for MindManager 14 and Mindjet 11, and it is an add-in that helps you to catalog your Mindjet MindManager maps as you work. MindManager is such a versatile tool, it's not long after you start using it that you find that you're creating quite a volume of maps. Obviously these can be for varying subjects. The problem with this is that at a later date when you're trying to find a specific map, because the collection that you have has grown so vast, this can sometimes take you quite considerable time. Map Tracker aims to alleviate that issue by categorizing your maps and providing an interface in which you can locate and search for them and filter them in a visual manner. Once you install Map Tracker, you will notice that the Map Tracker icon is placed onto the right hand side of the MindManager Home ribbon. The Home ribbon that we're looking at the moment is from the latest 14.2 release, so it might look slightly different if you're using an earlier version of MindManager 14 or indeed Mindjet 11. To open the Map Tracker interface, simply click on the upper portion of the Map Tracker command. This will open the Map Tracker window, which by default shows you Map Tracker view by category. When you install Map Tracker for the first time, you will have three system categories. These will be All Maps, Mindjet Connect Maps, and Uncategorized. You can add new categories to Map Tracker using the New Category command. Once you click the command, you will be asked to enter a category name. You can then optionally choose to place an image for the category. Map Tracker comes with 50 images to get you started. You can also enter a description for the category. Once completed, click Create to add the category to Map Tracker. The new category will then be displayed in the tile view. As you can see, each category tile contains a title, an image, and a small control strip located at the bottom of the tile. The control strip shows you the number of maps that are currently contained within that category. It also contains three possible commands that you can use to interact with the category. The commands are the delete command, which will allow you to remove the category from the Map Tracker system. You may only use this when the category is empty. The change image command, which will allow you to change the image on the selected tile. And the rename command. This will allow you to give the category a new title, but once again can only be done when the category is empty. There are two ways in which you can access the maps contained within a category. The first way is to simply select the category tile and click to display the maps in that view. The second way is to use the drop-down view menu located at the top of the menu bar. When accessed, this will give you a list of all the current categories within the system, and you can then jump to a specific category. If you wish to go back to the main category view, you simply need to click the Home button located here. This will return you to the All Category view. Once you click a category tile, the tile view changes to show you map tiles. There is a map tile for each map contained within the currently viewed category. Map tiles are very similar to categories in that they have a name, which is usually the file name for the map, an image, which is a snapshot of the map in its last state before it was updated or added to Map Tracker, and once again a small control strip which runs across the bottom of the tile. One of the most useful features of the map tile is that it shows you the status of the map. Currently there can be 4 status symbols. These are located on the left hand corner at the bottom of the map tile. If the map tile is showing red, then it means that currently this map is not accessible to you and you will not be able to open it. If the map tile shows a status of green, then that means that the map tile is reachable and you will be able to open it using the open command. If the map belongs to a Mindjet Connect map, then the map tile will show the Connect logo. Once again, this shows you that the map belongs to a Connect system, but it can also be opened provided that you have access to the Connect server and to the workspace which contains the map. The fourth possible state that a map can be in is when it's locked. This occurs when the map is open already. When a map is open, you will see that the indicator turns amber. This means that there is currently a lock file in the map's location, which could mean one of two things. Either A, the map is already open by another user, or B, there has been a problem at some point when MindManager has closed and the lock file has not been removed. All four of these states help you to quickly see exactly whether a map is reachable or whether it is being worked on. As with the category tiles, map tiles also contain three commands. The possible commands that you can use are the delete command, which will remove the map from the map tracker system, the open command, which will open the map provided that you have access to the map, and the preview command. The preview command will open a window that displays an image of the map's last state before it was updated to map tracker. This window can be viewed full size if you wish and is closed simply by clicking the mouse. This enables you to see the actual visible status or content of a map even if you are not able to open it. So if, for example, you could not connect to the Mindjet server and you were looking at a Mindjet Connect map, you would be able to preview the map even though there was no live connection. Map tiles also contain a default right-click action. This is currently set to preview when installed for the first time, so right-clicking will bring up the preview window for the current map tile. You can change this default action so that it will actually open the map, which you can configure in the settings menu. When you select a map tile, you will notice that information populates in the selected map properties window. This window contains two sets of information. The top set, above this line, represents the map properties. The bottom set is metadata for the file, such as the date and time it was created, when it was last accessed, and when it was last modified. It also includes the version number. You will notice that some of the labels become active hyperlinks. These enable you to filter the current view by the actual label for the property. So for example, in the current view, if I select the category label, the view will then filter to show me all maps where I have a category of map status demo. To clear this filter, I simply click the Clear Filter button located at the bottom of the selected map properties window. With a map selected, you will also see there are two further active links that can become accessible. The first of these is the email link. If there is an email address inside of the property for email, you will be able to click this link, which will open up your default email client with the email address already pre-populated so that you can actually contact the author of the map. The second special link is under the location. If you click this link, it will enable you to jump straight to the root folder where the currently selected map actually resides. Using these active link labels, it is very quick to be able to find maps of particular relevance. When you are using a map tile view, you are also able to change the way that they are sorted. They can be sorted on author, category, company, date, email, manager, subject or title. Simply select from the drop-down the sort order that you wish to display, and then the view will change so that they are shown in this order in an ascending state. Another powerful aspect of the MindManager map properties is the keywords. Keywords will allow you to home in on a specific set of maps, provided that you set the keywords up correctly. So for example, if I return to the All Category view and I select All Maps, I can then use the Keywords section to find maps with related keywords. Simply enter the word that you wish to find, click the search, and the display will change to return your results. As you can see in this one, we had keyword demo for one map and demo map for the other, and the view has returned both. This is a very powerful way for you to quickly reach maps which contain pertinent information. So that's how you can use Map Tracker to catalogue, manage and access your Mindjet MindManager maps. But how do you get the maps into the Map Tracker system? Well, Map Tracker can run in two modes. When you first install Map Tracker, it is set into on-demand mode. This means that you manually have to choose to add a map to the Map Tracker system. To demonstrate this, I'll open up a new map and we will add this to the system. We select the bottom section of the Map Tracker command, which will reveal the Add Update Current Map command. When we access this, we will be shown the Map Tracker Map Properties window. This will already be pre-populated with certain properties depending upon what we have set in the default map template. Also, the category section is pre-populated with any categories that we have already set up in Map Tracker. I'll select the new category, which was the one that we set up in the demo earlier. When I click Save, as it's a new map, I will be asked to give it a map name and location. I'll choose the default. The map becomes saved and is now in the system. If we open up Map Tracker and we look in our new category tile, you'll see that the map count has increased to 1, and if we access the category, we can see the map that we added and the information in the properties that was there. You can also see that the status symbol is amber because we have the map open and therefore there is a log file in existence. As we make changes to the map and we save the map, you will note that the changes do not affect the current tile until they are updated. When we do update the map, we have a chance to review the information. We click Save, and if we now revisit the map, we will see that the image has been updated to show the latest status. So that is how we get a map into the Map Tracker system on demand. The other mode that Map Tracker can work in is Auto Mode. To enable this, once again, select the bottom section of the Map Tracker command, where you will be able to either turn on or off the Auto Mode feature. When Auto Mode is turned on, you will notice that the Map Tracker command becomes lit. This provides an indicator to show you that that is the current mode for Map Tracker. Once again, we'll open up a new map to show how this works. In Auto Mode, when I go to save the map, I choose the name and the location, and it will then automatically ask me for the properties once again. Again, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll select the new category. Once we save, we can go back into the Map Tracker interface. Our new category has increased to 2, and if we look, we can now see both maps. Once again, if the map changes, what happens now is each time that I save the map, it auto updates. This means if we go back and we revisit the tile a second time, you will see the changes to the map. Using a mixture of these two modes, it is very easy to help catalogue your collection of maps so that in the future, when you're trying to find something, it takes you much less time. So thank you for watching this overview if you've made it through to the end. Just to recap, Map Tracker is available for MindManager 14 and Mindjet 11, and that's available now. You can download it from the Olympic website, which is www.olympic-limited.co.uk, where you can get a trial copy. The trial is fully functional, although it is limited to a maximum of 20 maps in the system. Purchasing of a license key will remove that limit. And finally, the cost of Map Tracker is set for £49, and we currently have an introductory offer at £39.20, and these prices are excluding VAT. We hope you enjoyed this latest add-in from Olympic Limited, and also don't forget while you're on our website to check out some of the other add-ins that we currently have, which cover a range of MindManager versions. Thank you.